Hi guys, welcome back. We just finished creating the scope using C#, and now I'm going to be teaching you how to make the scope using field of view in C#. Sit back and relax. So first of all, let's create a new C# script in our C# folder. Rename that to scope FOV. Save that. Save your scene. Open this in MonoDevelop. Let's rename our public class to scope FOV. Let's define our variables needed. If I remember, we had a FOV in, which or how much we want the field of view to zoom in. So public float FOV in was equals to 35. We also had a public default, public float DFF FOV, the default position, and it was defined as a value of nothing, so that's fine. We also had a public game object which holds our camera as cam. We also had a public boolean. Just a quick tip, in Java, boolean you have to write fully. In C# you just write bool. In the last tutorial I was writing boolean and I forgot it was bool, so just a little heads up. Aim, it's equals always to false when it starts. Save that off, and I believe that's all we need. Let's go back to Unity. Let's drag our new scripts onto our main player. Let's turn off the scope using C# with the basic. Let's add our camera to the open variable, and this time it's going to be your main camera, not the camera we created for the basic version. Okay, save that off. First of all, on the start, let's define the default position. You know what, we forgot one variable. Hold on, let's go back on top. Public FOV speed. The speed is going to go in, otherwise it's just going to stay there. Float first. FOV speed equals to 5. For now, that's alright. At the start, we want to do DFF FOV equals our cam dot camera dot field of view. So as soon as we start, it's going to pick our field of view. So if we run Unity, and if you keep your eye down here, you'll see that it's going to have 60, which is our position of the camera's field of view at the moment. There you go. Back into MonoDevelop. Let's start telling it how it's going to work. So we're going to check our input first. So if open bracket, close bracket, open, close curly brace. We're going to say input dot get mouse button down 1. If we hold down the right key, we want to put aim to true. So aim equals true. And now we're going to do the same thing for the if we release our input button. So if input dot get mouse button up, we want our boolean set back to false. Aim equals false. Now let's start defining our camera field. So we need if aim equals true, we want cam dot camera dot field of view open bracket equals matf dot lerp open bracket cam dot camera dot field of view. It's how much we want to zoom in, which was our FOV in, and the speed of it is going to zoom in, it's FOV speed, and we're going to times that by time dot delta time. Time dot delta time. Now that's done. Now we said if our aim is true, do this. If our aim is false, we haven't done nothing yet. So we're going to start doing that next. So we need if aim equals false, then do this. Then we're going to say if it's false, cam dot camera dot field of view equals matf dot lerp cam dot camera dot field of view is going to be equal to our default position this time, and it's going to be it's going to use our forward speed to go back. So FOV speed, and we're going to times it by time dot delta time. Righty, that I think all done. I think so. Yeah, save it. Go back to Unity. Let's have a quick test. Let's run the game. So now if we click our right mouse button in, we should zoom in, and if we release, zoom back out. Fantastic. That's how you create the scope using field of view in C#. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe. And if you have any more further questions, just leave a comment below and I'll answer them as soon as I can. Thank you for watching.